Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to walk through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to Kosovo. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Republic of Kosovo Embassy website. Here under consular section, they have given visa information. So if you're going for a short-term tourist visa, you can download the form here that we'll see. And but before you apply, you need to see if you are a citizen of one of these countries, because if yes, then you don't need a short-term visa for short visits. Okay. So once you determine that you need a visa, we can open the form. This is the visa application form which you can easily fill up. Your photo, your surname, your surname and birth, former, given name, date of birth. Remember the format. ID number, ID card number if applicable, present country of birth, current nationality, original nationality, nationality at birth, gender, marital status, parent details, type of travel document name, number, issuing authority. Make sure it matches with your passport. That's very important. Okay. If you reside in a country other than your citizenship, you need to have permission to return to the country, like visa, work permit, those things. Okay. Current occupation that you have to do over there. And this side is for official or embassy use, so don't need to worry about this right column. Current occupation for students, name and address of establishment, or for the employed people, your employer details. Main destination, type of visa that you need, number of entries, how long you're gonna stay, other visa, other period of validity issued during last 3 years. Okay, fine. If you're on transit and going to a third country, uh, entry permit for the final country of destination, because nobody wants someone to stuck at their place. If you have been there, provide that information. Purpose of travel, date of arrival, date of departure, border of first entry or transit route, means of transport, provide the hotel details or wherever you're gonna stay, who is paying for your travel and living expenses if you are your own, put I, means of support during your stay, cash, traveler check, credit card, accommodation, spouse details if applicable, children application, children details if applicable. Then your address, your phone number, your place and date when you sign, signature. This is for consulate use, so don't worry about that. Now I'll take you back to the application page. We went through this. Now you need to attach this form with your name, last name, email, phone number, send it. But yes, first determine best do you really need based on the citizenship, and then documents. What documents you need to attach? What should the application contain? Visa application completed and signed. Copy of travel document, that means your passport. One photograph. Okay. What are the supporting document? Proof of purpose, accommodation, financial proof, health insurance. Application fee is €40. Okay. And then they will guide you. But yes, when it comes to the payment of the fee, please refer to the relevant page of diplomatic or consular mission, where you will submit your visa application to obtain the details of bank where the payment is due. Okay, fine. All right. So in this way, you can send your application, and if you have any question, you can always contact their communication office. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you.